very fine Bluetooth speaker.
I need one.
Yeah, so it is
It
something.
should
be better than the
He has already
Bluetooth
won it, so he
speaker
can.
than I have then.
He can.
two-time winner.
Are you?
Yeah.
Beat Kareena Kapoor, Anna beat Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay.
कैसे लड़ रही है मेरी दो लड़कियां उफ.
I get
Both
this
of them
point.
like really together.
Go! I said it.
मुझे बहुत शर्म आ रही है.
I said it.
लड़ रही है लड़कियां.
Kapoor Arjun, Arjun Kapoor, I am Arjun 26, Arjun K 26.
I said 26!
I said it first.
We said together!
I said it first.
तो स्पीकर 3 दिन तुम रखना 4 दिन ये रखेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
Okay,
Yeah,
we'll since इतनी इंटेंसिटी है अक्षय जी की तो हम
क्या है
लोग
मेरे लिए तो.
बिल्कुल सामने आ रहा है एकदम बिल्कुल उमड़ के सामने आ रहा है.
हाँ मैं हूँ आतिया शेट्टी और इलियाना डिक्रूज और ये है
Arjun Kapoor.
और ये है
Ew, Anil Kapoor.
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा. Keep on watching.
Okay, now considering that both the ladies they have, you're having only one hero and he's playing the double role. So we have this segment primarily which is called that how well do Ileana and Athia they know Arjun Kapoor.
अरे बाप.
How is this? It's going to be like some
So,
buzzer round where you go.
It is
पहले
so
मैं
it
अपने
is
दूसरे दोस्त को बुला लेता हूँ
Yeah,
इंटरव्यू.
yeah.
वो लाओ
Shari.
उधर लेके आओ. अरे गॉसिप करना बंद करो. ये लेके आओ. अरे गॉसिप
Shari,
क्वीन
hello, hello.
ईश्वंदर इधर.
Are you serious, you girls? What the hell? La La Land.
सर अभी दो अर्जुन.
okay.
अब कीजिए जो सवाल करना.
Bilkul. Okay, so now the idea is that we have a few questions, very simple questions. So whoever knows the answer will be the winner. Whoever
So
knows
what do
more
we do?
answers.
We raise our hand.
देखिए उतना टाइम मत लगाइए जितना जल्दी आप बता सकते होंगे
अच्छा,
उतना
वैसा है
slightly
कि-
faster. Yeah, it's like
we
that
do a
is it's
scream
like
over each other,
competitive,
my God.
and you can actually win something for that. Yeah.
Is it worth winning?
It is worth winning, trust me.
Okay.
I've
We're
won
not
this in the past.
disclosing it because brands and everything, but it's a very fine Bluetooth speaker.
I need one.
Yeah, so it is
It
something.
Dो बार
should be
जीत चुका हूँ.
better
He-
than the
he has already
Bluetooth
won it, so
speaker
he
than
can-
I have then.
He can.
Two-time winner.
Are you?
Yeah.
Beat Kareena Kapoor, Anna beat Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay. Well,
With
this is
Kareena,
not
you won
against
the
you. This is
headphone.
Atia and me.
With the
कुछ तो जीता ना.
headphone.
आया हूँ कुछ तो
This
लेके
is
जाऊँगा.
this is speaker which is really worth fighting for. Literally
Hello,
like.
let's do it.
Okay, so very simple questions actually, very simple questions. The idea is that who is more quicker? Okay, among which of the following directors Arjun has not worked with? Among which of the following directors Arjun Kapoor has not worked with? Ali Abbas Zafar, Imtiaz Ali, Homi Adjania, Habib Faisal.
Imtiaz Ali.
I mean, I said it.
You said
Ha,
him.
ha.
I said in.
Said im. Well, but you
Actually,
didn't know all the things.
She said the full name.
She was.
Is it,
I was being
do we get
polite.
half our points?
No,
then?
don't be polite. Don't be polite. Yeah,
There
bilkul.
be no chummy
Go
set.
for it.
You don't have to
Absolutely.
break the chair
Absolutely.
and the mic.
Absolutely.
So who gets that point? No one.
You get it. You
I get
it.
that point.
Yeah, she gets the point. She was quicker. So, which are the two movies Arjun Kapoor has done based on Chetan Bhagat novels? I cannot.
Half girlfriend.
2 states.
States.
Ah!
She
So I said
both
half,
the
I
names.
said half.
I think we'll have to give it to
But
her.
she said
because
both the names.
She
You said
said
only
both the
one.
names. You said only one name.
You didn't reach half.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I
she
wasn't
started it
sure
off
what
like
the
that.
second one was.
So
I knew
it's,
it was 2
it's
states.
evenly poised now, 1-1, and we like it.
कैसे लड़ रही है मेरी दो लड़कियां उफ.
In which movie did Arjun Kapoor essay the role of Ghanshyam Pintu Shukla?
Ishak Sade.
Let me give you options. Let me give you options.
Ghanshyam what?
Let's see Ileana.
Ghanshyam Pintu Shukla.
Oh.
2 states, Finding Fanny, Gunde, Tevar.
Tevar.
She said it right.
I guessed. I haven't even seen Tevar, I'm sorry.
2-1.
God, why did I say Ishak Sade?
I was Parma and Ishak Sade.
Parma.
I was Bala.
I just get.
No issues whatsoever.
Ghanshyam? What? What was the name?
But he doesn't call himself by Ghanshyam. He calls himself Pintu.
That's what.
Pintu.
But that was it's a trivia that nobody.
So what?
would
I
know.
had 2. I have 2.
You have
has
2, she has 1. Where was Arjun Kapoor's Finding Fanny filmed?
Goa. I said it. You have to. I really
How
said
can
it.
you? I said it too.
I said it before.
I said Goa. You said
Arjun
outside
Kapoor
my
can
house.
decide that.
Arjun.
It
He was
is- I
changing his
heard
clothes outside my house. I get
both
this
of them
point.
like really together.
Goa. I said it.
मुझे बहुत शर्म आ रही है.
I said it.
लड़ रही है मेरी ये लड़कियां.
I love how he's not
नहीं
taking
हो
the
सकता,
damn
नहीं.
thing.
I
No,
said
actually, you know, it is.
Goa.
I heard
अरे
both the
कपड़े
names
मत फाड़ो,
together.
नहीं,
So,
नहीं.
So
I
then
heard
it's half and half.
What is that?
half is
ये
becomes
null and void करना पड़ेगा ना, दोनों ने साथ में दे दिया।
दोनों ने बिल्कुल
So then we
साथ
both
में
get points then.
एक्शन रीप्ले करके चेक करना पड़ेगा।
हाफ हाफ कर सकते हैं,
What is that?
half of
See,
कर सकते
I know
हैं।
for a fact कि मैंने दोनों की आवाज साथ में सुनी।
मैंने भी साथ में सुनी, मतलब लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट दैट दोनों ने एकदम बिल्कुल साथ में कहा।
Although,
Okay, fine. Okay, okay, let's not be sad. Continue.
So then what is the point
one
score?
and a half and 2.5.
Okay, I can
So
live with that.
we still have, okay.
अरे अरे कितना लड़ रही हो मेरे लिए तुम दोनों।
This one is like really simple. It's the speed
Just say
factor.
no, let's see. Okay.
It's a speed factor that is. What is Arjun Kapoor's Twitter handle?
Arjun Kapoor.
Should I give you?
There's some number.
Arjun Kapoor 26. Arjun Kapoor 26.
I said 26 first, and then
But it's not right ना।
Is that 26?
Should I? I'll give you options.
That's the option.
Kapoor Arjun, Arjun Kapoor, I am Arjun 26, Arjun K 26.
Arjun 26!
I said it first.
We said it together!
I said it first.
That's not
I
fair.
said
I thought we
two
said
and
You
a
together.
said it so loudly that we couldn't hear you for sure.
As long as I said it first.
2.5, 2.5. In which year did Arjun Kapoor's debut film Ishaq Dade release?
2012.
Correct.
Right?
Why have you given a story? I was so
I
much.
was thinking
in your head.
What
was
did you
like-
say?
I was
I was
18
in
years old, so therefore I remember now that she's given the answer.
I was in school. What
She was,
was
she was, I was in school, so I was this was, by then you already said it. So she was revising in her head which year it was.
So I think that we'll have to give it to Ileana
Yeah, because I'll
because
scream my lungs out.
yeah. So
Okay,
it's
is there
like
more?
इलियाना तो मुझे
I think
कितनी अच्छी तरह से जानती हो.
because it can keep going on and on. So we'll have to end
You
over
want one more
here.
chance?
Yeah, I want one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's give one more to her.
Okay. So it's
All or
like
nothing.
3.5 and 2.5.
The speaker 3 दिन तुम रखना 4 दिन ये रखेंगे.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll since इतनी intensity है अक्षय जी की तो हम
क्या है
लोग
मेरे लिए तो?
बिल्कुल सामने आ रहा है एकदम बिल्कुल उमड़ उमड़ के सामने आ रहा है. What job did Arjun Kapoor do for the movie Kal Ho Na Ho before
80.
before he became?
Sorry, 80?
Yeah.
Sorry. I thought you said we were just supposed to say it before you even finish.
What if
No?
Anna
No,
says
you
this?
can
Side of
because
that.
it makes for good.
Atya, how can you do this?
So
Atya.
Arjun ji,
Change
आप
I want something.
Chin thing.
you'll have to please do the honors. And
Charan and Karan would like to present you with this award.
See, this is the biggest compliment I can give you. I know so much about you.
Yes.
so Arjun ji,
She knows me inside out.
do you feel emotional? Do you feel emotional at this
it's
outburst of the way women they have been fighting
दो
for you?
लड़कियों को कभी ऐसे मेरे लिए
But I
जज
share
करने
with you.
देखा.
You know I love you, Atya.
Right.
मतलब genuinely मैं आज खुशी के आंसू रोने वाला हूँ. ये इंटरव्यू खत्म होती है अलग से जाके. अरे अरे आप अपने कपड़े मत खराब करो.
देखिए अभी आपने पसीना आपने जो करा ना फिर लोग उसका
वैसे ही मेरी रेपुटेशन खराब है. आप
और
कपड़े
मायने
मत खराब
निकाल
करो.
सकते हैं कि कितना ख्याल है.
पर आज मुझे बहुत
Oh God!
Yeah, see, I'm just-
I lost the game.
I'm
I don't
just-
know Arjun Kapoor.
देखिए क्या है ना मोहब्बत में आपको पूरा हर तरीके से पता नहीं होना चाहिए. आपके पास बहुत वक्त है पता करने के लिए.
Faridun has now become he's changed the way he does interviews also.
Totally.
नहीं तो you have this there should be a novelty value ना. अगर predictable हो फिर उसमें क्या मजा आएगा.
मुझे लगता है
आपको
फरीदुन
मजा
आपके
नहीं
बारे में
I have
gossip.
no game for Arjun as to how well he knows Atya.
I'm sure he has that.
We can do that, but this is
Agle picture.
we are having something else as well for all of you.